Hi guys, my name is Likhit Sanklecha. I'm studying in 7th grade. I have completed 4 sessions from TinkerCoders. And today I am going to brief you about web browser. Web browser module is a standard library that is used to open a web browser. We are getting the search term in a variable query by an input function query input. And then I have observed how Google instructs the URL. The URL which I have found works everywhere. Therefore, we use this open method to concatenate first part of the URL with the search term we get from input. Basically, it searches whatever user gives the input. Thank you so much.